Welcome to my YouTube channel Bhutta Vlogs 14th. So friends, I will refer to all of you watch this video till end, and in this video we are going to discuss about mortgage refinancing, and we will see what is it and how does it work. So we should start a video of today. We will see first of all its key takeaways. There are 3 points given here. We are going to see refinancing replaces your current mortgage with a new one, adjusting the rate, term, or both. Second one, with refinancing you can change loan type as well as your lender. To refinance a mortgage, you will pay between 2 and 5% of the loan amount in closing costs. So if you are refinancing to save money, you will need to calculate your break even point. Next, we see mortgage rates more than doubled last year and have remained stubbornly higher in 2023 for most browsers. After it, we should see one important thing. We should see about what is refinancing. The term refinance is actually a bit misleading. When you refinance your mortgage, you are not redoing it. You are actually replacing your current mortgage with an entirely new loan. You could refinance with your current lender or work with different lender completely. Refinancing has a lot of advantages. It can allow you to lower your monthly payment, save money on interest over the life of your loan, pay your mortgage off sooner, and draw from your homes quietly if you need cash. Next, current refinance rates for December 16, 2023. They have given first one, these are the purchases, and after it is refinancing. This was, and after it we will see how does refinancing work. When you are refinance your home, you will apply in a similar way to when you applied to purchase your home. In many ways, the process is like a less strenuous version of getting purchase mortgage. In general, you will submit to credit check, turn in financial documentation, submit to an appraisal, and undergo underwriting process. Typically, refinancing mortgage takes as long as purchasing a home, averaging between 30 and 45 days. Next, there is the one point, the types of mortgage refinance. So we will see here there are many types of refinancing. You consider each within the context of your unique financial situation. Your goal might be to adopt a shorter loan term, or maybe your focus is lower monthly payments. Here is breakdown of each. So different types of mortgage refinance are. So for this type of videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.